Welcome to Get Health with Dr. Cooper kitchen segment. Today I have for you a very delicious breakfast. You know, I like to tell my patients to have oatmeal, but sometimes it becomes boring to be eating cooked oats all the time. So I have baked oats. Oat is a whole grain with lots of fiber, protein, and various nutrients. So in this recipe, I'll start with 2 cups of rolled oats. So we'll pour in our bowl here. Then I have 1 cup of milk, and this is almond milk. Now you can also use soy milk, which will give 8 grams of protein. We're going to pour our milk on. To this, I will add 2/3 cups of mashed apple. And the apple is going to be used for sweetening. I will add 1/2 cup of raisin for sweetening as well. And I also have another dried fruit to add to this. You could add any dried fruit you want, and that will give it the natural sugar. Then we're going to add 1 teaspoonful of baking powder and a teaspoon of cinnamon just for the flavor. Then you're going to add your nuts. Nuts are again high in good fats and fiber. The nuts will keep you feeling fuller longer and prevent the snacking. You're going to stir this thoroughly, mix everything together. We're going to mix it in, and then we will bake this at 325 degrees for 30 to 45 minutes. You should have your oven already preheated. This is very, very simple, easy to be done. It can be left overnight for the following day. You can also use it for a snack or for lunch. I'm going to pour it in my baking container here. Very, very simple dish. The children will love this as well because of the dried fruit and the nice flavor from the cinnamon. So we're going to put it nicely here, tap it down, and then we'll bake for 30 to 45 minutes. Now I'm going to put this to the side and bring in my finished product. Look how beautiful and delicious this looks. Very nice with our dry nuts, our dried vegetable, and our whole grain. I'm going to cut into this and taste it. Let's see. Now, for breakfast, you could probably take 1/4 or 1/3 of what we have here without feeling guilty, because everything here is good and healthy. All right, now to this, I suggest maybe a glass of milk or a glass of green smoothie or green juice, and you have your breakfast for the day. Let me taste into this. I think this is quite delicious. Very good. Very, very tasty. For more recipe, visit my website, gethealthywithdrcooper.com or cooperwellnesscenter.com. I'll see you same place, same station on another episode.